In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails in Monday.com. We're going to walk through a simple, single-path automation that sends an email whenever a status changes on your board. This is perfect for things like notifying a client when a task is done, or updating a teammate when something moves to a new stage. Start by opening the Monday.com board where you want the automation to run. At the top of the board, look for the Integrate button. Go ahead and click that. This is where Monday.com lets you connect your board with other tools and set up automation recipes that include email. Once the Integration Center opens, you'll see different services you can connect. For this setup, choose either Gmail or Outlook, depending on which email platform you use. After selecting your email provider, look for the recipe that says, "When status changes to something, send an email to someone." This recipe is exactly what we need. It waits for a specific status change and then automatically sends an email. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your email account. Click Connect and follow the prompts to sign in and grant Monday.com permission to send emails on your behalf. This is a one-time setup, and you can always revoke access later from your email account settings if needed. Once your account is connected, you'll customize the recipe. First, click the word "something" in the sentence. This is where you choose the specific status value that will trigger the email, like done, approved, or anything else you use on your board. Take a moment to pick the status that makes the most sense for your workflow. Now, click the word email to write your message. Here, you can define the subject and body of the email. Use clear, concise wording so your recipients immediately understand what the email is about. You'll also see a small blue plus icon. Click that to insert dynamic data from your board, such as the item name, the owner, or due date. This makes each email feel tailored to the specific task without you having to write it manually. Next, click the word "someone" to choose who should receive the email. You can point it to an email column on your board, which is great for client-facing updates, or choose a specific person or team member if it's an internal notification. When everything looks good, click Add to Board to save the automation. From now on, whenever that status changes to your selected value, Monday.com will send the email you configured automatically.